So, guess what? Do another food challenge. So the reason why I am laughing is because I am not cut out for food challenges. I've tried once already, and I failed miserably. For my first ever food challenge, I tried to take down 3 kilograms of chicken and rice. If I finished it within 1 hour, it's free.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
And I gave up this chicken and rice challenge in about 10 minutes. Because 3 kilograms of food was really ambitious for an amateur like me. This time, I'm gonna go for something that's supposed to be easier. This challenge is all about speed and quantity. I've got 10 minutes to finish 1 kilogram of Thai holy basil with minced pork, 2 fried eggs, some crispy pork belly, and finally fried seasoned ground pork in tube form. And if I don't finish it in 10 minutes, I gotta pay up 199 baht. So where I have failed in quantity, I'm hoping to succeed with speed. And even Don, who doesn't like to eat a lot, wants to give it a try too. This restaurant, located in a very quiet lane, is very busy with a lot of customers and one of the most popular spots for a food challenge. It is called Chai Met Restaurant, and the owners here are some of the friendliest people that I've ever met in a restaurant. I'll put a link to this restaurant in the comment box below. All right, so I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know if I can do this. It is a lot of food, but the owner told me that they actually have a lot of people who can finish this. It looks like it's doable, but when you try it, it's gonna be a lot different. So, 1, 2
ภายใน10 นาทีทานฟรีนะคะ 3, 2, 1 ไป
Okay. After a few bites, I was thinking I could actually do this. I might actually have a chance. The big difference between this challenge and my last one is that I can actually see the bottom of the plate. In my last challenge, there was just so much rice that it was hard to dig through it. Crispy pork. And psychologically, that really helped. And while editing this video, I noticed one of my major mistakes. I was not chewing fast enough. I was chewing too slow, like a cow in a farm. I had to chew quicker than that, like these 2 guys. Finished 2 plates in under 10 minutes. 2 plates! Under 10 minutes. And look how fast they're eating. But kidding aside, these guys are professional eaters, and that's why they're doing so well. 3 minutes down. They're really hard. There's 4 minutes left. My wife is hurrying me. Look at all this food. No way. I'm sweating. I think I can do it.
อะไรนิดเดียวเอง
It always looks easy on TV. I have a booger on my nose. Is there something around my nose? There is? You sure you want to try this? I think I still did pretty good though. Right? What, it's like I finished about more than half. Yeah. I'm gonna stop it at 119 because there's no way I can finish this. You can do it?
I try
You're next? All right. So Don's gonna take a go at it.
ฟังสัญญาณจากแม่ค้านะกะเพราล้ำคายทานหมดภายใน10 นาทีทานฟรีนะคะ 3, 2, 1 ไป
Okay guys, so I need some help here. I have no idea how this is even possible. I doubled the speed of this clip and she still looks like she's eating normal speed. I'm just kidding. I know this is really difficult. Yes. Yeah, it's actually bigger than it looks.
That's what she said.
It's okay, you got this. You got 9 more minutes.
People are cheering for you. Yeah, when you watch TV shows, it looks so easy, yeah? But it's not. It's actually really, really difficult.
This is very true. I have watched a lot of food challengers on YouTube just to prepare. And even professional food challengers will tell you everything looks easier on video.
The poor girl. It's so spicy, she's crying. You got this. You got it.
You have time.
Yeah, you got plenty of time. You got 5.5 minutes more. You're actually finishing more than I thought. Just 3 more minutes.
ไม่ไหวกินไม่ได้
Okay, all right.
Dawn gave it her best, and that is what really matters, so I'm proud of her. If you're not coming here to try out the food challenge, at least try out the food menu. They got a lot of great food, and it's really delicious, and I know you guys are gonna enjoy it. So what do you think? Can you guys finish this? Leave a comment down below.
Oh, all right, so here I am doing the loser's walk, carrying the leftovers, and I don't know. So right now I'm 0-2. I lost 2 food challenges. Will I be doing another one again? Yeah, because I'm stupid. By the way, guys, my friend Dum here, I just bumped into him. I lost track of him. I found his fried banana shop right here. It's there. That's right, by accident. We actually came over here. He's an awesome guy, cool guy. I'm gonna put a link to his shop. So if you're ever in this area, it's close to that food challenge that I went today. Come say hello to him. He's a really awesome guy. He's the best. Look at
Hello.
All right, thanks for watching. That's right, fried bananas. He makes the best ones. Come check him out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. All right, thank you.